In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product demo in Prezi. Whether you're introducing a new product to clients or showcasing features to your team, Prezi offers an engaging platform to make your presentation dynamic and visually captivating. Let's walk you through the process from start to finish. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Prezi account. Once you're in, go ahead and open a new presentation. If you haven't created a Prezi account yet, setting one up is pretty straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Just follow the prompts on the screen to complete your registration. Once you're set, it's time to choose a template that aligns with your product demo. Prezi provides a wide variety of templates, and for product demos, you might want to select something that can effectively highlight your key points. If you're feeling creative, you can also start from a blank canvas, giving you full control over the layout and structure. Now it's time to add your main topic. This could be your product name or the title of your demo. Think of this as the headline of your presentation, the hook that will grab your audience's attention right from the start. Next, we'll create subtopics. These are essential for breaking down your presentation into digestible sections. Consider what the most crucial aspects are, perhaps features, benefits, use cases, and setup instructions. Organizing your content this way makes it not just easier to follow, but also more engaging to your audience. To make your demo more visually appealing, insert images, videos, and screenshots that effectively showcase your product. Visuals can communicate ideas and details more powerfully than words alone. Whether it's close-ups of the product or short video snippets demonstrating its key functions, quality visuals are key. With your content in place, you'll want to use zoom paths to guide your viewers through the demo step by step. Zoom paths are one of Prezi's standout features, allowing you to transition smoothly between topics and keep your audience focused on what matters most. Highlight key points throughout your presentation with icons, annotations, or callouts. These elements help emphasize important information and guide your audience's attention to what's most important. As you approach the final touches, adjust the colors, fonts, and layout. Customizing these elements to reflect your brand style not only makes the presentation look polished, but also reinforces brand consistency. And there you have it, a fully developed product demo using Prezi. With your presentation complete, you can deliver a compelling and visually engaging demo that presents your product in the best light possible. Don't forget to practice your delivery and make sure all technical equipment is set up beforehand for a smooth presentation experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful in creating your next Prezi product demonstration.